this episode we actually start at Dugal Flat Rock. We head back into Broome. We stay one night at the Gateway Caravan Park at Broome, and then we work our way down to Barn Hill, which is just down here. Barn Hill station stay, 1, 2, 3, 4 stars. The beach there is fantastic. We're heading back into Broome. We're going to air up when we get back to the Richmond Road, and yeah, it's been a good stay.
We've just left Gateway Caravan Park. We stayed there one night, and we're heading down past Roebuck's, and we're heading out to Barn Hill Station.
There's David and Wendy. Yeah. The first gate at Barn Hill. Good job, Joey. Let me fit through here. Yes. Just let Joey go back in. Shut the gate, even if another car is approaching. 40 maximum.
What are you doing?
That's tire pressure. No, it's not. There's somebody else wanting to go through. I'm slowing down. I went over, so I'll go down to 20, so now that'll make up for where I was busy. There you go. Get happy now.
No, 40.
40?
I'm supposed to do 40 kilometres maximum.
Well, that means I can do less if I want, so don't force me to do 40.
You were doing 60.
No, it wasn't.
You were, so I just thought you.
No, that's
Speedo.
no, it's the angle. No, it's I'm 40 now.
Oh, it's 40 up there.
Exactly right. So what are you complaining about? Big nose. Okay, so so we're coming into Barn Hill. The road's pretty good. In places it's a little bit corrugated. We haven't aired down, but we're just keeping it at 40, as you can see there. And I've got my cruise controller over here. It won't let it go one kilometre over 40, and but we're making it. And David and Wendy are behind us over there. They're catching up. And as you can see here, we're getting closer to the ocean. That little blue dot's us, and we'll be there soon. Over to the right, it looks like we've got some sort of trig point. Can't quite see that. Like a can on top of the hill over there. Yep, it would be. It's worth it, probably a climb up there. Here's number 3 gate. And look, we have to put our tyre pressure down to 8, Joanne, this time. 8.
Well, you better keep an eye on it then.
Yeah, look, welcome. Check in at office. 8.
I think that's 8 kilometres an hour.
No, you better stop because the gate's closed, Joanne. You can't do 8 through a closed gate. Silly girl. Hot tip, electric fence. Make sure you don't touch that, Jobby. There we go. Thanks, Jobby. There she is. Oh, she told me to stop. What's she doing? That's quite close. So I go a little bit further for her. Just a little bit further. Just a little bit further. Just a little bit further. Keeping it a walk. Oh, she stopped now. Oh, a little bit further. Just a little bit further. The way you do it is let David in. Not to tease Joanne, of course. There we go. I was just letting David in. I don't know what you're pulling faces at me for.
Well, I just need to get in.
So we're coming into Barn Hill. And it looks like there's a queue up for the office. So we're doing a quick DIY, how to set up a satellite antenna. And they've got it pretty well sorted out here. Oh, they need a man's help.
Doesn't even attach to that. Why? Okay. No.
You set it up for us. Oh, you're going to put that up. Okay. All right. We would have done that.
What
We haven't actually done that step.
We gave you 2 hours to think about it.
Here is fine. Where we were was fine. That tree will be in.
Well, yours is facing that way, so it's over there.
Okay. Right. Well, this is good.
But you've got to level it up, so it makes it a bit harder.
If you get it in position, we'll actually we'll turn it in.
Well, it's...
Where's this bit go, mate?
Wendy's got her wand. So this is the other beach access on the northern end of Barn Hill camping area. And you've got the beautiful beach all the way around there. You can see some limestone there. I think this might be an easier way to get, or a shorter way to get down. It's probably not easier. It looks pretty good. And you've got your rocks down here. This is nice. Just don't go falling off the cliff here, because I reckon that'd be a very fast trip if you fell down there. So then you just actually walk all the way down there and straight onto the beach. It's much easier. Another great sunset, look at that. Barn Hill camping area on foot to retrace the footsteps of John Eyre, who was one of the first explorers to come here and find the place back in 1879. I've got Wendy with me here to make sure I don't cheat, and we're heading, well, we can't see it yet, but over there's a hill with a cairn on it. So to actually make the track smoother, they pull a couple of these large tyres behind a four-wheel drive or a tractor, and that's just like a grader. So we actually came to the gate, the last gate, and we walked up this flyway here, hoping to find a track over to the cairn, which is actually up there. But nope, it's not this way, so we need to go back down here and turn right and hopefully find a way out over there. So hot tip, don't walk down the fire trail near the road end, it's not right. So we're still walking, we can see the cairn up there. We're looking at the eastern side of it now. Oh sorry, it's the western side, but we're looking east. And we're still wondering where the track to it is. So what are your thoughts, Wen?
I think we're going to have to go up and back in.
Well, maybe you could just carry me above your head and you could get bit by a snake and I'll be able to run away. I think so. This is a good sign. We've just come up here from the camping area and the track's turning, oh I was going to say it's turning right, but now it's turning left again, so we're still trying to get up over there. So we've come around the S-bends and we reckon this could be the track. That looks like it disappears north, which is not good. Let's go this way, Wen. Let's do it. And it's heading in the right direction. See, I sent Wendy first just in case there's snakes and spiders and cobwebs. And we're getting closer. We just came up a dry riverbed, which made it quite easy. Yeah, I think Wendy's sent us the wrong way. Let's go this way. We've made it. There it is there. Now to work out how we can actually climb it to get to it. I still reckon we should follow this path, and what it's doing is taking us to the lowest point of the rocky outcrop, which will be the easiest point to climb. We're nearly there. So as you can see, the path towards the end, it is a little bit rough, but I think we're just about there. There would have been no path here when John Forrest came through. Neighbours at the top. John Forrest came through and laid these exact stones back in 1879. They can actually. So you've got the post down there. You can see the caravan park at Barn Hill Station, and then all the way down there. Good job, Wen. We actually did it.
We did.
And that's a pretty impressive can. I'm going to put my hand on the can here, which is the exact stone that John Forrest laid back in 1879. Impressive. I'd go through there, Wen. Keep really low. You're low, 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 low. Yep, that's it. Keep going. Yep, that's it. Now you take this. My hat.
Don't touch it. Is that the right way?
No.
Oh.
Okay, so I'm low.
So low, low.
Oh, God.
Don't hit it with your bum.
That's not work. So at Barn Hill having coffee. That's the coffee place over there, and they've got their lawn bowls over there. These girls are smiling because they've just had nice coffees. Sisters, yes, it sounds like they're empty. Kids got their play area over there. That's where they actually had the band last night, or the two people playing their guitars and singing. Nice trees, very peaceful. And there's also a book exchange over there. And there's a bed there, and when he gets too tired, she can just have a little sleep. Some guinea pigs. It's just like Wendy and Joe, two goats. They're probably sisters. See the water there, so there's some sort of bait fish happening over there. There we go. Someone's chasing them. David caught two mackerel today. One's got spots on it and one's striped. And look at that sunset over there. The wind's just going to run up to David and drop the key off and then run back. We went the wrong way. David's actually down there. This is where you actually bring your car down to launch your boat at Barn Hill. You're not allowed to drive on the beach apart from launching your boat. This is the south end of the bay at Barn Hill. So you've got all these people and fishing people. You've got rocks all the way along, cliffs. Quick, get up on the rock. Oh, there's heaps of it. Wouldn't want to be much higher, you wouldn't get through. Mate, you're stuck on that island. Sorry, no chips today. Check out these rock features here. A lot of corrosion and decay and erosion, but right round to that point, I reckon there'll be fish around there. But I reckon they could tell some stories. Look up there on that ledge. There's actually some interesting rocks in here worth a look. Oh wow. Can you pull that rock over please? Give it a good hard tug, thank you. Oh yes, look, she actually moved. Look, it's coming down. You've done it. Well done. So this is the beach access at Barn Hill. You've got some steps here that go down to the beach. And then you've got fisher people. We walk right down there. And then you've got some brave swimmers here. Last night at Barn Hill, the sun's just set over there. We're having some seasoned chops that Joey's made. The wind's actually stopped at last. It's been a pretty with the wind, and but Just waiting for the mossies to attack us now. We actually caught up with these guys today. Ransom off-road. So we've added their sticker to other friends. Got the mozzie coils going with the wind going in that direction. Joey's checking it out, just making sure I've done a good job.
I'm stripping some of the paper off so it doesn't burn.
Good job. So I'm cooking it slowly, Joey.
It needs to really sear on one side.
Yes, and then turn it over. Good job. Yeah, mate. Look at those. And Wendy's just sitting there. David's doing all the work as normal. Wendy, it says gate must be kept closed at all times. You opened it, you naughty. No! Quite congested here. Got motorbikes. Right, to go, Joey?
Barn Hill Station. We're heading off to 80 Mile Beach. Hopefully we'll get into the caravan park. See how we go.
Some good fish today. That's Spanish mackerel, and that's, what is it, spotted man. Start again. David did a good job today. He's got Spanish mackerel and spotted mackerel. David did a good job today. We've got Spanish mackerel and spotted mackerel. Mackerel.
Just say it. Say the spotted one first.
Okay. David did a good job today. He caught spotted mackerel and...
That's the 5th time.
Okay, let's try it again. David did a good job today. He caught spotted mangrel. I can't say. Mackerel. Okay. David did a good job.
Just caught mackerel today. Two of them.
Two of them.
And 4 people.
And one spotted and one Spanish.
One spotted, one striped.
One striped, yes.
Well, one's got stripes and one's got spots.
Exactly, yeah, we've got a good
That's
strip.
what you should do. Say, caught 2 mackerel today. One's got spots on it and one's got stripes on it.
David caught 2 mackerel today. One's got spots on it and one's striped. And look at that sunset over there.